Welcome to Cooking with Kang. Today I will show you a simple and quick way to make avocado toast with soft scrambled eggs. I have here 2 eggs, an avocado, some butter, and regular white sandwich bread. Start by cracking 2 eggs and whisk them thoroughly. You can add salt and pepper into the eggs now or wait until after you cook the eggs. Go ahead, put the bread into the toaster now. In a non-stick pan, toss in some butter and turn the burner on to medium heat. While the pan is heating up, slice the avocado in half and give it a little twist to open it up. Now with a spoon, scoop out half of the avocado. Slice the avocado thin without cutting across the top. By doing this, the avocado will stay together so you can fan it out like this. Presentation costs extra at a restaurant. At home, it's free. Once the butter is melted, pour in your eggs. Stir the eggs to incorporate the butter. Let the eggs sit to form a thin layer at the bottom of the pan. With a soft spatula, push the cooked eggs to one side. Lift up the pan and tilt it up to let the eggs run to the other side. Turn the heat off and fold all of the cooked eggs to the middle. The eggs will continue to cook in the residual heat. Now will be a good time for some salt and pepper. Let's get the toast and put all of this together. All you have to do now is top it with the egg.
Oh yeah, look at that.
To finish it off, I like to add some Chilli Crunch.
Get it on there.
Any brand that you like. I'm using a homemade one. If you don't have any Chilli Crunch, sriracha, salsa, or hot sauce would taste good too. Let's make another one, but fancier. Follow the same steps as before. Toast the bread, mix the eggs, cut the avocado, and scramble the eggs. Oh, and Old Bay for some extra seasoning since we won't have the extra salt from the Chilli Crunch. Now, make it rain. Truffles. Okay, I don't have any fresh truffles. These are preserved truffles that I bought from Costco. Maybe I'll get some of the fancy ones when I get to 1,000,000 subs. Wink wink. So freaking good. Please like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, thanks for watching Cooking with Kang.